In this video guide, we're gonna see another tool in Prome AI website. So this tool in specific will create textures and patterns like illustration, like vector graphics, a little bit style, and also realistic effects for seamless textures that you can use like for materials in other software and in graphic design or 3D modeling, 3D rendering software. So this one here creates a seamless pattern, meaning that you can repeat the pattern over and over again. Now these are patterns that have been already created, so you can open it up and see them like expanded. And here you can see your generation history, which is empty at the moment, and other assets in the third panel. Now, in the first panel, discover and remix, we can start with one of these, or we can just go here and just type something that we want to create. And also down there, you have like patterns and seamless textures for architecture, 3D rendering, modern architecture, interior, logos, etc., anime, etc. So if you go there on the top, you can type your prompts. So I'm just trying to generate a pattern here made with hexagons. You can click on the enhance, and this will create like a text for you that can be used, enhance it, or you can just simplify that depending on what you want to generate. And you just I'm just changing here a little bit. I want to create kind of a more technical, I don't know, like engine pattern or something. I don't really know. I'm just testing out here. So I'm just gonna type something that I have in my mind and see if it comes out well. Otherwise, you can just generate more and more images. You have some premium version and fast mode, and you can also put some negative prompts. So if you want to avoid certain things, like for example cracks or stains or dirt, whatever. So if you want something more clean or again more realistic, or something that is going to be flat, etc. In the styles, we have two main styles, which are vector patterns. So something that looks like has been made like in Illustrator, perhaps, or Inkscape. And then you have realistic materials, like for something that looks real. So you have these two main categories. And down here you have floral, camouflage, abstract, Halloween, Christmas. And you can take some of these and use to your design. Now, unfortunately, I don't see something too technical. There is some flat design, and a lot of these, they look like wallpapers. And well, that's what pattern are used for usually. So it's a perfect example. The wallpaper is like a tile that you can repeat over and over again. So what you want to create here is a design that you can then repeat over and over again. And this is my first result. And yeah, it kind of created like some technical shapes based on an hexagon. These are not really hatches. I wanted something more regular, more precise, more linear, but I guess I need to change here some keywords in the prompt. But this is just for testing around. Now, the more you specify, the more you are precise, the better it is. And I guess that if you use the premium version, it will be a little bit more helping and intelligent, I guess. But this is just the free version, by the way. So it's totally free. You can use this to experiment a lot. So this is what I'm doing. I'm just generating more and more solutions to see if there is something that looks better. And I'm choosing different styles. And I want to go now in the realistic materials. So let's try to do something with wood, perhaps, or some other type of realistic material. So I'm going to select one of these and see what's going to happen to switch from something more simple black and white to something little bit more realistic. So something more flat, there you go. And this definitely looks more realistic, and maybe I can also choose concrete. Now, from what I see, when you select a style in that list of different options you have, well, that's gonna be a lot influencing the results. So be careful which style you're using. Otherwise, you may want to go without a style if you want to be like more free, because that texture that you're choosing is gonna deeply influence the final result. As you can see here, they look really similar to the one that I picked. So I wanted to do something like more tiles or bricks, I don't know. So, and there is also already something in here. So by selecting a specific one, you're gonna have like closer results. Okay, so let's go back to vector pattern. Let's play a little bit more with this, and I will create something and then show you what is the meaning of tileable or tiling. And it's something, again, that is using graphic design as well as 3D rendering. So I'm going to type here like funny cats and dogs wallpaper. So I'm going to do something, again, it's tileable. And not really sure if I need the wallpaper word, but you know, that's fine. I'm going to go like for artist. So I want to do something more artistic, but again, you can play a lot with words and see what's gonna come out. And there you go, I have the first result. They look pretty similar to the style that I've chosen, this one here, Halloween 20. Let's go for Halloween 21 and see if the colors change and everything changed. They look like a little bit scary. Some of these are looking a little bit awkward because probably I've chosen Halloween, but you have other options here, and probably you're gonna have more in the future. You have more abstract options, etc. etc. This looks pretty fun, by the way, but let's try with the last one. So I'm gonna go for something more abstract. You have a whole set of camouflage in there. I'm gonna go for this one here, and there you go. So you can see I'm continuing to generate others. Now you can save the preview download and you can share it. You can continue to edit. You can use the premium version for the full download, or you can also use the HD upscaler to make it bigger and better and to add more and more details. And also you can see the last ones, they look fine. They got those colors from the source, but I don't see any dog in here, only cats. And this happens, you know, to be really cool, but it's kind of mixture of skulls and you know, scary things and cats together. I don't see any dog, but that's fine. That's cool. I can work with this. Just to show you, when you open up, you can see the tiling. So when you click on tiling mode, then you can scale up or scale down, and you can actually test if the tiling is working, if you actually created a seamless texture, a seamless pattern. And there it is. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, subscribe to the channel to stay updated for more. And if you want to support us or thank us, please join the channel. Check out other video courses and video guides. See you in the next video.